Is that safe?
So you don't have a big chunk of wood for chopping kindling, I take it, because you don't use it. So.
Hey, where are you going? Honey, you shouldn't have the host working so hard. Poor Warren didn't know what he had bargained for here. This is what I call hospitality. Yeah. Free coconut.
She knows all this stuff, but she goes, freaking dumb Holly. Oh yeah.
I'm doing video. You have to really have a strong grip to pull that apart. Wow, look at that. That's exactly how they do it.
Thanks, guys. I would have been over here all night.
All the work for a little coconut inside.
It's so easy like that.